107th, chapter number 2, India's climatic condition and natural resources. Part 2. In part 1, we have learned about the climatic conditions of India. As India is located at 8 degree north to 37 degree north latitude, it experiences all the three seasons including winter, summer and monsoon. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country, therefore it experiences cooler climate and warm climate in different parts of the country. India is located near the equator, therefore climatic conditions are extremely different in each and every part of the country. We have learned about the temperature, air pressure and the direction of winds in different months and unequal distribution of rain in different parts of the country. India experiences snowfall, high temperature, high heat, high summer and also unequal distribution of monsoon at different parts. This creates a different effect on the people living in different parts of the country. Effects of climate on our life. The effect of climate is seen in our diet, our lifestyle and nature of people. The people living in different parts has to follow the different diet according to their climatic condition in their area. For example, Rajasthan. Rajasthan faces scarcity of water because there is less than 50 centimeter of rainfall throughout the year, as we have seen in our part 1. Hence, the houses have walled terrace to store water. They can store water from rainfall done throughout the year. The people of East India do not want to do this type of walled terraces because there are plenty of rainfall in that area. People in North India use woolen garments to protect themselves from extremely cold, that is from Jammu Kashmir, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, etc. because they are experiencing more cold environment. The people of South India prefer cotton clothes because to protect themselves from heat. The people of desert region wear loose cotton clothes to prevent themselves from continuous heat and protect themselves from sand blowing across the deserts. These are the different climatic conditions at different places of India, and people of that places are using different ways to protect themselves from climatic conditions. They also wear cloth piece on their heads, that is turban, to protect their head and hair on the sun. Due to varied climatic conditions across India, the people of Gujarat are usually engaged in businesses because of their climatic condition. As we all know that Gujarat is located at the western part of India, it is beneficial for people of Gujarat to do the business of import and export towards other countries. Therefore, they are mainly engaged in businesses because of this climatic condition. The people of Punjab are mostly soldiers, while the people of North India are involved in agriculture. Similarly, the nomads of the deserts are engaged in animal husbandry. The people who are living in deserts, they can't do farming, they can't make any industries in the deserts. Therefore, uh, they are involved in animal husbandry so that they can live their life. For example, Bani region of Kutch is very famous for animal husbandry. The milk products of Bani region are very famous throughout the country. Wheat is a staple food of the people of coastal area of Gujarat. Staple food means important food for the people, while rice and fish form are the staple diet of the people of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and West Bengal because they are living at the coastal region, therefore they get plenty of fish and rice. As the rainfall in South India is um, more than the other states, the the production of rice is more. Therefore, rice and fish is the important food for people of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and West Bengal. So, we can say that the climatic conditions affects the human life very adversely. It can make people to live according to climatic conditions. According to these climatic conditions, there are many natural resources available in India. Different natural resources are available at different parts of India. We cannot say that each and every product can be produced in each and every part of India because the climatic condition of each part is different from each other. What is natural? What is resources or natural resources? They are everything available in our environment which can be stored and used according to its quality, capacity and utility, and which becomes our heritage can be termed as resource. A thing which is used according to its quality and utility means number of uses, and which we can get from the environment is known as resources. Resources are also those that can fulfill certain aims, objectives and offer concrete solution towards the problem. For example, trees. Trees are helpful for us to make different products such as furniture. Trees are also useful in sometimes in giving us shades in summer season. It is useful to give us many medicines to cure our diseases. So, tree can be said as the resource. Anything that can be aimed at and used to accomplish human necessity also become a resource. Anything which is used by human to complete their needs is known as resource. Air is a resource. Tree, flowers, fruits, water, minerals, oils, etc. is considered as resource for human beings because it fulfills the needs of human. The people of the earlier times were not aware of the minerals. They are not aware of the minerals below the surface of the soil. Therefore, they cannot use it. That is why those minerals were not considered as resource. But now we know the meaning of minerals, the importance of minerals. Therefore, we can use that minerals as a resources. Those minerals were not considered, but these resources are useful for the modern man. Therefore, we can consider all the minerals as the resources for us. Now, we can classify these resources in two ways. In three ways: natural resources, mineral resources and land resources. Natural resources means the resource which we can get from the nature, that is water, mineral and land. In next part we will learn about the water resources, then we will learn about mineral resources and at last we will learn about the land resources. Till then you have to write the questions related to climatic conditions and effects of climate on human life in your work. Thank you.